Hey y'all, welcome into my channel. So today is gonna be a little emotional video with these cops every day. So the area that I'm in right now, yeah, I guess I've been showing my location or whatever, and y'all know I have crazy exes, so we had to go and move into the shelter, in the DV shelter. And now I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna clean out this truck and let y'all know why and what's going on. So sit back, relax. I got my matcha and everything. I had to stop working, and y'all know people could run your social and people could find you and trace you and track you if they steal your information. So this is an identity theft, also awareness video, okay? So y'all need to stop giving your information to people. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all, so basically what I was saying is, when we used to live in New York, I basically decided I was gonna move and go to another state and buy a house and do all that, right? But now, fast forward it, right? My daughter was a baby. Now she's 6. She just turned 6, right? And I'm still dealing with this craziness. Like, dudes are crazy. So listen, when you give out your information, or when people go in your bag, or when people dig around in your stuff, make sure you don't have important information, okay? Because people are nosy and they are sneaky and they will do things. Don't have different people come to your house. But anyway, we had to pack up and move because my ex, you know, I had to sell my X5 because he tracked my license plates. They call them tags out here. But anywhere, when you get a truck or a car, they call tag, right? So that's your license plate. So I had to take that, change it, and do all of that. Now we have to redo it all over again. Like, so we were driving somewhere, and I guess I posted a location where I was. I posted, he saw, because he watches my YouTube channel, right? All right, guys. So like I said, we are back in the shelter. So I don't like to be, you know, too transparent. That's why I keep my business to myself. But I just had to express my feelings and not hold it in, because somebody out there needs this. So we had to go put all my stuff in storage, and the last week of school was this week. So thank God I don't have to worry about her being absent for school. And she graduated, yay! I'll put a picture in it. So I won't really have her a lot in my videos right now because of privacy. And as you know, like I told you, now my stalker really literally found us. So I have to just be, you know, wary or whatever of where I am. So right now I'm nowhere close to where I was. Like, literally I'm like 2 hours out. So I know you can see stuff in the background, whatever you see, but hey, it doesn't matter. So it's just crazy that we have to be going through this. I have to start all over again, and it's really hard, but I am very resourceful. And if you have any, you know, comments you want to leave or anything, any helpful thoughts, you know, you can tell me. I don't know, because this is crazy. I didn't think over 40 I have to be dealing with this. I thought, like, when I was in my 30s and 20s and married, I would be done with it. But anyway, y'all, so, and also getting diagnosed with, you know, I don't even want to say it, but yeah, that new diagnosis that you saw is crazy. You know what I'm saying? What the hell? ADHD. My brain is just going crazy. Like, I cannot. OCD, that, PTSD. I'm just all over the place with it. But I just want to let y'all know and bring y'all into my life and let you know why. This will be basically like my last video with my child, showing her because of her protection, right? So you'll just be seeing this beautiful face. And I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers and everybody that's new here. Thank you. And y'all have a beautiful weekend. All right, y'all. Bye. See y'all in my next video.
Never did I